Hi, everybody, and welcome to a transformational weekend in June 13th and 14th, with wonderful Maria von Scherven and me, Katarina Hansens Carlson. And what is it about? It's about transform your life, transform your body. Literally, you can change the blueprint of your life and you can learn yoga in a way that you've never learned yoga before. So, who is this for? It's women from 30 to 50 to 60 to 70 plus. So, only women. Sorry, guys, only women. And it's going to take place online. And why would you say, Maria, why do we choose only women?
I think that the women for so many years have been left behind the men. So it's time for us women to stand up in our own true powers. And I'm in Sweden, no, I'm in Italy right now, and in a very special place because in before the Roman Empire there were Etruscan women living here, and they were so entrepreneurial. They was on the same level as men, but after the women have get left so behind. And I think that Dalai Lama said for some years ago, there are going to be the women who will save me the world. So that's why we on this occasion are going to talk most to women. Of course, if some men want to join us, they are welcome. But this focus is on the women energy in all of us.
Absolutely.
That's why. We,
Absolutely. Thank you, Maria. You educate a woman, you educate the family, you educate the world. Okay. Because we women are the core of the universe. There's no life without us, there's no children without us. So that's why it's women. All right. So Maria, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. I'm Maria von Scheven, and I have been studying a lot of yoga for many years. And I'm especially interested in the connection between the nervous system and the body, so we can connect and get safe in our body. And yoga is an amazing way to transform your whole body. You change your thoughts, you change your energy in your body, and you could visualize your future in a way I didn't know about before. So that's what I want to bring to you that attend this event. It's so amazing to get in your body to move with it. So that's a little bit about me, and I give the word back to Katrin.
Thank you, Maria. And I have to add that I've done yoga almost every single day since I was like 20. Um, and yoga has actually sculpted my body. Um, I I've been mistaken for my son's sister at a football match, and I've been mistaken. My younger brother was mistaken to be my father. So it's not just genetics; it is your habits, your yoga. So I love your
Yes,
yoga.
so true, so true.
So who am I? I'm somebody who was lost for 20 years. I didn't know my direction. I didn't know my driving purpose. I didn't know my self-image, my peak identity. And so I created, once I found my core values, I created the entrepreneurial blueprint consultation. Now, it doesn't have to be just entrepreneurial. If you're not entrepreneurial, it doesn't matter because we're going to do a life blueprint for you on the 13th, which is a lucky number, on
Yes.
the 13th of June. We're going to find your peak identity. Most women, most men as well, don't know their peak identity. You may not know your driving purpose, but you will find it on that day. You also will know your vision, your direction, 1 year, 3 year, and 5 year vision. Exactly where you're going to be, what you're going to do, and the money you're going to make. That's important. Also, we're going to find out what is your sabotage strategy. if you become an entrepreneur or if you do your life blueprint, how are you going to sabotage yourself? Because we all do. So we have a sabotage strategy, we have an inauthentic identity, we have a debilitating habit, and it affects our finances, our health, our relationship with ourselves, everything. We're going to go through all of that, and you can literally type because it's fillable. You will get a blueprint of your life. Is that exciting? And then the next day, we're going to do yoga, right? So, Maria, would you tell us a little bit about what we're going to do on the 14th? I know you're
Yeah,
going to introduce us to before we do the blueprint, that we're going to get into our bodies, right? And focus, right? So what are we
yes.
doing on the 14th?
Yes, actually, you start on the 13th just to make ourselves to connect with our body because if we have a stressed nervous system, we can't learn. So I just start the first day by bringing us inside ourselves. We can open up and receive all the beautiful information that Karina will give us. On day 2, I will guide you through a body practice that you could do by yourself. We are going to learn the most essential yoga posture in a sequence that you could use daily just to stay in contact with yourself, your body and mind. And that gets the transformation even deeper because what you need to learn with your heart, mind and body, the body needs to be active to be able to sustain the results that you have. Otherwise, you don't receive them, or you receive it and then you got lost in the sabotage techniques that she was explained with words, and I will show you in the body how you could keep a container to hold yourself even through stressful times. That's what I'm going to do, and a relaxing part in the end, so you just integrate everything in your body.
That's beautiful, beautiful. And for all the mothers who are coming, you could teach this to your children. You can teach this
Yeah.
to your mother and tell her she doesn't have to so old and she doesn't have to be so wrinkled. She can actually work on her body. And
Yeah.
plus, Maria right now is in Tuscany, beautiful Tuscany. So we're inviting Italian women and Swedish women. I mean, women from all over the world, but especially Swedish and Italian women together because Swedes have they're very, very practical, very focused, very strategic and organized. And Italian women tend to be a little bit more artistic and entrepreneurial, maybe. Swedes are entrepreneurial too, but it's a wonderful combination. So we can learn a lot from each other.
And I think most of all, we Italian women love life
Yeah,
and know how to live life in a way that's healthy and just they love life.
yeah, they love
So
life and they make every day count, right?
yeah, yeah, carpe diem.
In Sweden, we tend to, Monday to Friday is work, work, work. Uh,
Yeah,
family is weekends are
yeah.
family, but it's still a lot of work to do there, So
Yeah, but Italian women know how to enjoy life. That's what I was looking for. So enjoy life, and that's I think it's a beautiful message to all of us. We just have one life, and you have to enjoy it all the way through, in every way possible.
exactly, exactly. That's what we need to learn. And what is the cost of the online training from 13th to the 14th, the online course? It's only $500 and it's a one-time only. But there will be more. So click on the link below and sign up and register now for this. And meet your Italian friends, meet your Swedish friends, meet friends from all over the world.
And why you should join this, it's not only for yourself, but also for your children, so you could lead and be an example for the future. So you do it first by yourself, and then you bring it out to the children.
Absolutely. So welcome.